Well, over Memorial Day or around thereabout, Google dropped an absolute bombshell. This is the biggest update Google's rolled out in 25 years. There's been big updates in the past, Penguin Panda and all, designed to combat spam. But I'm going to save you the update on reading this article and understanding it. And this is being rolled out right now across the board, and it's going to affect some searches earlier than others. I'm going to give you an example. So, this is a search I did a few days ago. This is an example of the new, very much AI powered Google. And you may still see the AI mode. This is being worked into Google and is basically being powered by Gemini and AI, and which is trained on the previous algorithms, but is now much smarter and is changing how people are going to use Google. And the last one of these videos I did talked about how 60% of searches result in no click. Well, this is why, and that number is actually going to go up. So you're going to see an example. Search is now going to lead very heavily into the AI overview. So getting yourself listed here is absolutely key. But then instead of going directly into the other results, it just gives you another AI prompt. So you can drill down even more and get all the answers you want without having to go through all these links and make up the decision yourself. Anybody can just go to Google and ask its questions, its discovery type questions, and the AI is going to answer all of that, which might drive someone to your website, or they might get the information they need from here and reach out to you directly. This is opposed to, like, this is a search I did 5 minutes before I started this. This is like for finding the best plumber near me. This does not have the AI results really worked into it. But if it's happening here, it's going to be happening here very, very soon. So if you have already been optimizing your website for search engine optimization and for AI search results, congratulations, you are ahead of the curve. If you've not done anything with your website in a very long time, you need to reach out to your webmaster. You can reach out to us at the BBS agency, talk to your local marketing team. You need to be expanding your website and optimizing it for the AI age that we are. That it was coming last week. Well, now it is officially here. And you need to be optimizing your stuff for it, because your competitors are going to, and they're going to leave you in the dust if you don't. So how do you optimize for AI? Well, going back to best practices with Google, you share your EEAT, your experience, your expertise, your authoritativeness, and your trustworthiness. And it learns a lot of this stuff from you having a good website where you really have good detailed information about the services you provide, a single page dedicated to each service that tells people what you do, who you do it for, what your service area is for, and provides good tips and information about it. So the AI, when it's reading your website, understands that you are an expert. Now, before, a human would have to go to your website, go to that page and read that information, and it was up to them to decide if that information is worthwhile. That's not what's happening here. What's happening here is you asked Google's AI, and the AI agents went out and did all that research and came back. So by you having all that information on your website for the agents to go, AI agents to go out, analyze that information on your website and come back and report, you're going to show up in this section and your competitors are not. This is how you can take advantage of this massive change. This is the biggest change that's happened to Google and search engines since the dot-com bubble burst in 2000, 2001. Okay? You now have an opportunity to get ahead and take advantage of these changes and optimize yourself so you yourself and your business are set up for the next 10, 15 years of success as this AI takes control. If you want to learn how you can leverage AI to be a salesperson for your company, reach out to us and we'll have a little conversation and we'll blow your mind with what we can do and what AI can do for you.